Hey, good morning, everyone. It is time for part 3 of the Dollar Tree Snowy Christmas Junk Journal that we're working on. This started out with a black cover just like this from Dollar Tree. We're using the Snowy Christmas Junk Journal kit that I created. It's on my Ko-Fi site. It is a printable. I don't have a cost-effective way to print all the pages for you to purchase. It would be prohibitive. But if you can find a way to print it, you can get the kit. There are some freebies on my Ko-Fi site too, so don't miss those. Also, our gratitude collab is almost over. It's almost time for Thanksgiving. Wednesday will be the 4th week, or the last week we'll post. And so I hope you'll join me and Jovi and 16 other collaborators and creators for this Wednesday. The giveaway, don't forget it, is available, the information on my November 1st video. So that's linked below also, and on Jovi's sites. Plus there's freebies in our groups. Lots going on. And my sister's here. Yay, you'll get to see her Tuesday night. We're going to have some fun doing some bead pins and some bead keychains. So let's jump into this. We're going to do some page layouts. We're going to do a waterfall pocket for one of the pages, and we're going to add the coin envelope and another envelope template from the kit to the journal. All right, let's go. All right, we're ready to go. I've got my pieces all cut out. I'm going to flip over here and show you from part 2. I made this envelope. I decided to put a little piece here so that I could tuck my envelope in without using any Velcro, but you could definitely do that too. So the envelope is functional and it's got little goodies inside, and then I just tuck it that way. All right, so we're gonna move over here. I did want to show you that these pages might be a little thinner and the ink is showing through from the stamping. So I have another sheet here that I'm gonna just glue that on, and around the edges, ink them and just glue that on to cover up the ink that bled through. Okay, so I've covered this page. I haven't done any decorating or embellishing on it yet, but we're gonna get to this page here. We're gonna take some ink and go around the edges with, it's called Ocean Blue, and I am loving the blues this year. I'm also loving Pink Christmas. What about you guys? Are you loving Pink Christmas? I mean, I'm a traditional gal usually at Christmas time, and I don't know what it is about Pink Christmas this year, but loving it. All right, so just went around the edges to give a little color to the page because it is plain. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the pages that I had. I cut a 4-inch, a 3-inch, and a 1-inch, and you can see this didn't print borderless, but I'm going to cover that up, so that's okay. I've scored at 1/2 inch for each of the pieces, and that way I can just glue those down easy. And I'm not worried so much about a tab for the bottom, but if I find that this doesn't fit well, I can do that too. And we're just going to layer these. So I would almost call it a layered pocket, but it's also really a waterfall, because that's the idea you get with all the different tucks. And so we're just going to glue them on like this, and then you can stuff in each one. Okay, I do have a little snowflake that I cut a 1.5-inch circle. These are snowflakes from Dollar Tree. They're just gonna, you're gonna be able to see that that's a separation. And I love this piece because it's one of the pages that I just cut down, and it just is cohesive. So all I'm gonna do really is go around the edges with the ink again after I've scored and folded those, just to give it some definition. And if you've watched the other videos, you've seen that I've been using some crystal It's called Winter Radiance Chunky Glitter Paste, and it really is pretty cool. And then some shimmer spray, or you could use sparkle spray if you want to. You could add any kind of sparkle you want, or none. And I'm loving that right now, so that's just been me. All right, so I am gonna glue right here, and I don't think we're gonna have any issues with this. So this is the 4-inch piece that I'm putting in. And wherever I want my lip to be, let's scoot it over just a little bit. And we're gluing this in first. Now I'm gonna take my, let's see, which one do I want? It doesn't matter. I'm gonna take my snowflake and I'm gonna put it about in the middle, and I'm gonna glue half of the circle down and leave half of it out. It's sort of a tab. And then that way you can slide your tags in there, whatever you want. Okay. And then we're going to take the next one, which is the deer part of the paper. I'm going to do the same thing. Just glue here on the tabs, and I'm here at the bottom. And I'm going to glue that down. And as I said, normally I do create a bottom tab too, but I just didn't think I needed it today. You can do it however is comfortable for you. So then I'm going to take this one, and I'm not going to put it in the middle, just putting glue on half of it. I'm going to put it at the top here. Make sure I'm not gluing anything down. There we go. And then we'll put the other one towards the bottom. So this is the other. This one is about 1 inch. And we're just going to glue this part down. And so it's a waterfall pocket, but it's to the side. And it's also, you could just say it's a layered pocket if you want to, however you want to call it. So then this one, I don't want to cover up the deer, so we will push it up a little higher. And we'll just put it here. Doesn't really make a huge difference. Just want to make sure I'm not gluing my pockets together. There we go. So then you have pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. So fun. So then I have some tags. I'm gonna just probably ink them, and I can slide them in here, or I could slide journaling cards or whatever I want, ephemera, whatever I'd like to, in my pockets, right? And so really fun, cool thing. The other thing is, if you did want to add the chunky glitter, you can just take a little bit, put it on the trees. It is so pretty, and it really sticks. And so it's not falling off your page and making a mess on the floor, anything like that. And I'm just putting a little bit on my finger and spreading it that way. So then the next thing we're gonna do is add the coin envelope to the page. And this could be removable if you wanted it to be, and just clipped on. You just cut it out, follow the lines, and you can leave the border or cut it off. Okay, I did add a little quote from my Christmas quotes pages. These are free, you're available to you, and there's 4 pages, the same quotes but on different backgrounds. So if you have a certain theme you're working, you can use the Christmas quotes. All right, so we're gonna pick a page. We're just gonna close this over here, and we're just gonna make a removable coin envelope. So in case you want to, you decide that you don't want it to stay on the page all the time. So I've got a little clip here, really cute little clip that goes right with any kind of junk journal. So you just fold along the edges. So we're going to just do where this line is. I'm going to just fold. Now you can, if you want to, score them, but I just wanted to show you, you don't have to. So we scored that. Then we want to score this one also and burnish it. This is where we'll be gluing here and then also here. So, and then at the top we can leave this flap where it can open and close, or we can, you know, whatever we want to do. All right, so we're gonna put glue on these two flaps here, and this will stick to that way. And that is your envelope. So all you have to do then is embellish it. And so on this one, since I'm making it removable, I can do a lot of things, but mostly I'm just going to do Walking in a Winter Wonderland. I might not put it on the top. I may just put it here. And then take one of those cute snowflakes from Dollar Tree and add it as a dimensional piece. I'm going to take this fun glitter, this chunky glitter, and glitter paste is a glue. So just so you know, it is a glue. So you do need to close it really well when you decide to do that. All right. So I don't feel like that needs a whole lot more, honestly. And I'm just going to put a little on this side since we are making it removable. And so this is our side here. We're not going to glue down the flap for the top, but then you can also see that all of the tags will fit inside as well. So then to add this to my page, I'm just going to take some ink. Okay, so put a little background piece here from the kit. I'm just going to glue this I'm just going to take my clip and put it at the top. And then I can put in notes or whatever I'd like to do, journaling cards, tags inside my little coin envelope. So that is a fun one too. Then there are additional templates, you know, for cutting out an envelope. There's also gift box template, which would be really fun to make an advent calendar. Haven't decided if I'm going to do that just because of, you know, it takes the time to do it, but you could definitely use this for gift as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this today. This is the fun journal that we're creating, the waterfall, or you know, your layered pockets here. Then also the coin envelope with a fun page here. This is so easy to create. Now, all I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to just wrap a ribbon around it to make the closure, but you could definitely add a closure in if you wanted to make your tie before you put your internal panels. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching today. Have a great day. Getting ready to count down to Christmas, so I hope that you will be a part of that as well. It's going to be super fun. Lots of prizes in December and a lot of fun counting down, and Vlogmas is coming back. So don't forget your free pages for the Christmas planner. They are available. Lots of fun. I may see if my sister wants me to make her one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.